Hey guys, so it's date night tonight and I did my brows like extra bold, which I actually really like, but I feel like when you do that, you have to have an eye look that's going to be able to like stand up to the brows, especially with as fair as I am. I'm eyeing purples. I think just in the fall, I tend to use a lot of purples. So I'm grabbing amethyst, which is like a light purple, and I like to do like a medium purple. I like to do like a medium shade in my crease and then kind of build off of that. So I'm just gonna create a crease with this color. So you don't need much of this at all, you guys, like at all. And so I always start really, really subtle and then build up. I'm gonna go ahead and just put that color right here. I'm going right above my crease because my lids tend to be hooded when my eyes are like open, which means that the color I put on my lid and like in my crease will basically disappear. Like you can see how the top lid kind of overtakes the bottom lid, so that's what a hooded lid is. I'm building this up very gradually. It's easy to do too much. So I've been really erring on the side of caution as far as how much I'm applying at the beginning, because I have put myself in difficult situations before by putting too much on from the get-go. So there's one color, and I'll be honest, when I was like junior high or whatever, probably even just before I used Synergens, I thought one color was all you needed and you just slapped your mascara on. Now I never use less than 2, but usually 3 shadows, because you need to add depth and you need to add dimension. And a lot of times, especially because the amethyst is a matte color, I like to add something that has a shimmer or a glitter to one of the colors. I was gonna use Deep Plum because it's just like a darker purple, but like I just said, I think I want something that has a little bit of glitter to it. So I'm gonna use the Lapis glitter, which is a deep blue, and be very, very careful with it. I do not want this to overpower everything. So I'm using this brush as one of my favorite brushes to use for glitters, because with glitters you definitely want to like press the color in rather than rub it. It doesn't work as well when you rub it in. The glitter, I don't know, it smears more than spreads, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of color out here. Put it on a little bit thicker just because I plan on patting it in. So I'm using that flat edge to pat that and kind of blend that out. And I'm kind of trying to stay in this corner over here. I don't want to go much outside of where I put it. So I'm mostly patting it right over where I place the color and then slightly moving around it. And if it's not moving, that's when I just will flick it out a little bit with the brush. Okay, so it's blended out quite a bit. It's actually a pretty good fade, but I have a little trick that will make it all come together. This is one of my favorite things to do that really kind of brings a whole eye look together. I take Sandstone Pearl Shimmer is like my ride or die shadow. If you have not tried our shadows, I would highly suggest starting with a Sandstone Pearl Shimmer and something like medium neutral color. But Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, I would argue I use in every single look that I do. It's just a neutral and it's very sheer. So what I do is I put it right here and I literally swipe it across like right into the dark part. And then with my finger, I pat it where I put it. And it's cool if it gets in your inner corner because it actually looks really nice. But look how seamless that made my transition. Like there's not a line anymore at all. I'll also put some of this up here because I really like how it looks right under my brow. It kind of carves it out. And the beauty of Sandstone Pearl Shimmer is you can almost completely blend it with your finger. So that look is so pretty. I will take a picture after I'm completely done with eyeliner and mascara and everything and show you how it looks all finished. Thanks so much for watching.